Okay, go ahead and cut the cards. This is my style of reading. You can book readings with me. If you follow the link in my bio, it basically takes you to my website where you actually have control over booking readings. So what are we asking the cards today?
The finances.
You want to know about your finances? Well, you're definitely embarking on a new chapter of your life. It also kind of feels like you have a tendency to jump into things a little too quickly, and sometimes you have trouble kind of seeing things through. Well, you have a lot of change coming up. Well, you have new opportunities coming up as well. From what I'm seeing, from what it looks like, it definitely feels like you have some new opportunities coming up. They look like they're going to be presented from you. From the way that it's looking, I do feel like there's a woman that is going to actually contact you, but it definitely feels like someone that, A, you already know, B, you've already worked with them before, and it kind of feels like it's a new opportunity. It's a new proposal is what I want to say. So it's a new, they're probably going to hit you up with what it is that you do for a living, but it feels like a project is what it feels like, and it's an opportunity that they want to actually ask you if you're willing to go on this project and go with them. It does feel like there might be a little bit of travel. It's something new and exciting. It looks like it's going to go into your favor, but you also, there's a lot of ideas coming up. There's you spending time with family. I feel like your daughter's going to contact you. You are going to be working throughout spring and summer. It does feel like it's going to be very, very busy for you. But I feel like there's a lot of people propositioning you for different jobs. And I kind of feel like you're going to have to make some choices as far as which direction you want to go, and which ones you want to take, and which ones you don't. And it also feels like there was some kind of project that you were working on that kind of feels like it fell to the wayside, or something happened where it didn't work out or didn't come to fruition or is not going to. Almost feels like somebody kind of, the way that it comes up or what's coming to me, it kind of feels like it got canned or dumped, or they kind of just chucked it to the side and they bottomed it out and they didn't want to do it. Yeah, there was too many things pulling in different directions, and it became almost, it was like a passion project that became a personal project, and it kind of feels like, it's weird because I keep seeing it as a man, but it feels like it's a man with emotional female energy is how it comes up, and it feels like it kind of got tossed to the wayside. But there's new opportunities that are going to come out from it, because I feel like you made a lot of connections with it.